Hey, Lake of the Ozarks, Ryan Schaffner here with the Jason Whittle All-Pro team, and today I get to show you around this beautiful new tranquil listing that we have. Come on, let's go check out 90 Ashcliff acres. This large open concept floor plan features 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, tons of beautiful updates throughout. It is in a private setting with 1.5 acres in the back of a cove, but the dock still floats year round. If you'd like more information on this awesome property, give us a call at 800-836-2005 and we will schedule a private showing for you. Thank you and have a great day.